to show you guys our beautiful park model called the Rocky. Let's go inside and I'll show you this beautiful model. Alright, so as you guys walk in, you see the kitchen. It's a small kitchen, but it really has everything that you need. It has a mini fridge here, a 4-burner stove with a little oven. I don't know if this is a full-size oven, but I think it's a mini size. But your sink and a window right over the sink, cabinets down below, and I think you can maybe upgrade the cabinets up here if you want to. But for right now, you know, we wanted to have this cute shelves, you know, to put any decoration, mugs, or anything that you have. And as you can see over here, we have this beautiful big window, make it very nice and airy. It's very bright in here, very welcoming. And over here, and you have a little storage up here on top of the fridge too, which is really nice and spacious. You can store a lot of stuff here. You can use it as your little pantry. And the fridge, and I think they put down like a little, like a space for your spices or anything you want to store. And as you walk this way, you have the bathroom. It's nice and spacious for our remodel. It's a what do you call it?
Walk-in shower.
Walk-in shower.
Yep.
And we have the washer and dryer stackable up here, and again another storage up there, and more storage over here. As you turn in your medicine cabinet, I really like these. I like the accent colors and everything. And more storage over here to store your makeup, your whatever you have. And we have some drawers down here. These are really nice.
Got the slow close.
Slow close. That's important. And like if any cleaning supplies you got, you can store down here. And then another beautiful window over here. Make it again very nice and spacious. And actually a small, if you can get that small window again in the bathroom. We don't have this hooked to electricity or anything, but you can see how bright that is. And then right on this side, far end, we have the bedroom.
Yeah, and there is electricity in the unit. We just don't have it hooked up, obviously.
That's right.
We have 200 amp electric or 110, whichever you need. We can run that electric throughout the whole
And we have the mini split head over here. It's a Bosch.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's one of the nicer ones, right?
Yes, Bosch mini splits, and like she mentioned, you got your double pane Anderson windows, top of the line Anderson
Right,
windows.
so you can control it with the remote controller.
Yeah.
Put it right back in so you don't lose it.
You got your tongue and groove knotty pine ceiling, and we got that stained dark.
I want to talk about the ceiling that goes throughout the whole RV. It's gorgeous. What is it? You said it's tongue and groove?
Tongue and groove pine.
I like the accent colors.
Yep.
Oh, look at that up there.
Yep, wide open.
Wide open, so cool.
Again, guys, when you have a smaller space, you always want to go light walls, dark ceiling, dark floors, and big windows. That way it really opens up the whole home and makes it feel a lot larger than what it is. And one of the things that I wanted to touch on real quick is these walls, guys. I know it looks on film like it's drywall or sheetrock. It is not. Okay, this is birch plywood. Listen to this. You hear that? That's solid wood, guys. That's not sheetrock or drywall. And the reason the Amish use this product is, again, real wood quality. And when you ship these things down the road, you know what happens to drywall. It might warp, it might break. Well, birch plywood is not going to do that. This is solid wood. So these things are built solid, built to last, built by the Amish. Okay, so moving on, Nadia.
You can get that another head.
Yep, got another Bosch mini split over there. And again, you see the theme with the recessed lights up top.
Very cool.
dark ceiling again. You got your second Bosch Mini split, and then you got bedroom number 2. This one here is $69,000, just like you see it, or you can buy it fully turnkey for $110,000. The big Bertha over there, just like you see it, is $79,000, or you can buy it fully turnkey as well for $110,000. So this one here is a 14 by 40 with a 6 foot by 40 foot front porch. It's got a black metal roof on it, black shutters to match. Beautiful day, by the way, out here in Indiana. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful day. Sun is shining. You can see we got the big Bertha 3.0 over there, has been disassembled. That one's been sold, so we're getting ready to ship that one out. Let's go in and show you the inside of this one. Again, very generous 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch, as you can see here. It does come with the porch swing. Everybody always asks, is the porch swing included? Yes, it is. You can see here on top, we got the hinges that allows for the top of the porch to be folded down. There's also hinges here on the bottom deck to allow the bottom to be folded up. You get these railings taken out. Those go in the cabin, and that's how we're able to fold this cabin up and ship it all over God's country here. As you can see, this is a log stack cabin with the 4x6 timber stacked all the way up. And then you got your gray matter in between the timber called chinking or log jam, and that's what seals the cabin shut. That way, keeps your cool air in the summer and your hot air in the winter. Again, this is the cabin we call the El Chapo Muchacho Rustic 1.0 cabin. Just a beautiful structure, 1-story ranch. Let's take you inside of this bad boy real quick and show you what the inside looks like. Before we do, take note of the beautiful handcrafted wooden screen door. Looks like someone's already been here today, so they got the door open. We do get a lot of visitors. And when you walk in, first thing you see on the left, of course, is the open concept living room area. And then you got your kitchenette that's gonna go over this way. Okay, over here is where your stove's gonna go, and your refrigerator goes over this way. And as you can see, we got the kitchen sink there that we're gonna put over here. Remember, we can also add more kitchen cabinets on top. It's up to you. And this is kind of like the 360 view. There's your front door. And again, this is what it looks like in the living room area. You got those pretty knotty pine floors. You got your double pane, easy clean vinyl windows. And again, just a super cool rustic Amish built cabin, right? This is built by the old order Amish. Beautiful. Again, the dimensions of this one is a 14 by 40, and it does have a 6 foot by 40 foot front porch. You can order this one as a 1 bed, 1 bath, or in this case, we modified it and made this one a 2 bed, 1 bath. So you can see we got the sliding barn door here, which leads to your first room here, which will be your full bathroom. So just got to imagine it with your tub, toilet, and sink. And we put that on the other side of this wall for obvious reasons, right? Because this is where all your plumbing lines is going to go from underneath. Okay. And then another sliding door here that goes into bedroom number 2, which can easily fit a full size or queen size bed. And remember, if you only need a 1 bedroom, we can combine this bedroom with this bedroom and make you a much bigger bedroom. But in this case, like I said, we got this set up as a 2 bed, 1 bath deal. So this is going to be your master bedroom. As you can see, lots of natural light. You got 1 window there by the front porch, 1 window here on the side, and then 1 window towards the back. And again, just a super cool structure built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. Again, this one you can buy just like you see it here. We call this the finished shell. This is $69,900. Or if you want it fully turnkey move-in ready, we can do that for $110,000. All right, guys, check this one out. This is the one we call the Poco Loco. Just want to make a quick video of it real fast. It does come with a 6-foot by 6-foot front porch, but I'm going to film this real fast for you here and show you what it's all about. This is a 12-foot by 40-foot, and let's take you inside and show you what this one looks like. Okay, this is again a 12-foot by 40-foot, 1 bed, 1 bath. Just a beautiful cabin. They just brought it here, so I wanted to film it real quick. I know they don't have it fully set up yet. You can see they're getting ready to set it up as a model. So you got your mini split over there, window over there, window there. And again, nice open concept. You got a little built-in table here, table for 2. And window here. This is your living room area. You got your kitchen with your regulation size appliances, regulation size stove, microwave, big old refrigerator. You got your sink, handcrafted Amish built cabinets. Again, that's just an extra piece of furniture. One thing I really like is, listen to this. You got that steel roof with the knotty pine walls. Super cool, right? Going down the hallway, it's kind of dark, so you have to excuse us. We don't have it fully set up yet. You got a full bathroom with a tub. There's your commode. There's your sink, your lights. Again, this is the view right when you walk in. Again, the dimensions on this is 12-foot by 40-foot. Okay, going down the hallway, you got a spot here, of course, for your regulation size stackable washer and dryer. Put the washer on the bottom, the dryer on top. And then last but not least, you can see they're setting it up now. They got a full-size bed. Over here, you got your windows. Very cool, right? All kinds of natural light coming in.